I frequently have patients ask me about doing a cleanse. First of all, there's multiple different types of cleanses, and some of them aren't even the same thing. So just be careful about that. From a nutritional and supplement point of view, the most effective cleanse is a liver cleanse, and you typically do that with the right supplements and the right food limitations. You're going to want to be putting in organic, very pure foods when you do that. And I think that's where the juice cleanse came in. The range of juices you can have on a juice cleanse is enormous. Some people consider, a smoothie juice, and it's not really. It mostly has, some kind of cream or ice cream in it. And you might say, well, I make my smoothies with ice. Okay, I get it. But we also add a lot of bananas and things like that to our smoothies, and that just really ups the sugar content. I have looked at the nutrition content of numerous companies' smoothies and juices, and they are uniformly high in sugar because the average person walking in off the street is not gonna buy a spinach and avocado smoothie. Now, if you're interested in actually getting healthy juice for yourself, then one, what's the base liquid gonna be? Is it gonna be water? Broth is a good base. It could be coconut, could be milk. So you gotta think about that. You gotta think about what you're gonna do to thicken it. My favorite thickener of all is frozen avocados. You can get them at the grocery store, and they come in chunks, and when you put a frozen avocado in your smoothie, it acts as ice to keep it cold, and it keeps it thicker, and it adds tons of nutrition and no extra sugar. Now, sometimes it'll tinge things a little bit on the green side, so if you care about that, just be aware. But if you put it in a container that you can't see it, then you don't know what color it is. And then finally, what combination of mostly vegetables and maybe a little bit of fruit are you putting in your smoothie? The cleanse part. If you really want to simplify your nutrition for a few days, having only blended vegetables mostly and fruits that you can sip on is a great way to kind of reset your diet, to break a lot of the sugar and fast food habits, and to quickly and easily prepare something at home in your own kitchen. This is a great way for you to kickstart a new program. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you found this really helpful, and if you did, please subscribe to this page because there's a ton more videos out there.